Dear students, let us continue exercise 3.3. Question is written, question number 4 is written here on the board. So let us solve this question. Just see the equation. Points are given in each and every term. So various methods are there to solve, but the easiest is to multiply 10 to both the equation. If we will multiply 10 to both the all the numbers, the decimal will be omitted. So just write here, multiplying both equations by 10. Now we can write 2x plus 3y and 4x plus 5y equal to 23. Now we got the equation in this form. Just take equation number 1 from equation 1. 2x plus 3y equal to 13. Just transfer 3y into this side. Now we got the value of x equal to this. Thirteen twos are 26, 3 twos are 6. So this is the value of y. Anywhere you can put also in equation number 3. Just put in 3. So x equal to 13 minus 3y upon 2. So we get the value of x equal to 2 and the value of y equal to 3. So hoping that after doing one more time, it will be very easier for you. Let us move to the next question. Next question is question number 5. Question number 5 is here. Question number 5 is root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0 and root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. Okay, this is equation number first and this is equation number 2. Taking equation number first, we can write 2x equal to minus root 3y. I have transferred this root 3y into that side, so the sign will be changed here. Now x equal to minus root 3 by root 2y. This is equation number 3. Okay, now we will put this value of x in equation number 2. Just see equation number 2 is root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. So root 3, at the place of x we will put here minus root 3 by root 2 y minus root 8y equal to 0. So root 3 into root 3 will be minus 3 y upon root 2 minus root 8y equal to 0. Now take the LCM. By taking the LCM we will get here LCM will be root 2 minus root 3y and minus root 16y equal to 0. Now this is minus 3y, square root of 16 is 4, so this is minus 4y, and root 2 multiplied by 0 will give 0. So this is minus 7y equal to 0, therefore y equal to 0 by minus 7, so y equal to 0. Got the value of y equal to 0. Now put this value in equation number 3. So putting y equal to 0 in equation 3. Equation 3 is here x equal to minus root 3 by root 2y. So minus root 3 by root 2 into 0. So root 3 into 0 equal to 0. So hence x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. This is the question number 5. Okay. Next question. Let us take the next question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 is solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. Just write the equation at first. So this is 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. This is equation number first, this is second. We can take any of the equation. So I am taking here equation number 1. 2x equal to 11 minus 3y. So x equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. Okay, put this value in equation number second. At the place of x we will write 11 minus 3y by 2 minus 4y equal to minus 24. This 2 and 2 will be cancelled. 11 minus 3y minus 4y equal to minus 24. Minus 3 minus 4 equal to minus 7y equal to minus 24 minus 11. Minus 7y equal to minus 35. Y equal to 35 by 7, that is y equal to 5. Just put the value of y. In equation number 3. X equal to 11 minus 3 into 5 upon 2. 11 minus 15 by 2. So x equal to minus 4 by 2. So the value of x equal to minus 2. So x equal to minus 2 and hence x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 5. Now we have to put this value into the given equation to get the value of m. So just write y equal to mx plus 3. So y equal to m into value, at the place of y just write 5. At the place of x just write minus 2 plus 3. Now solve this. 5 minus 3 equal to minus 2m. So 2 equal to minus 2m, therefore m equal to minus 2 by 2. So the value of m equal to minus 1. Okay. Now what problems are there to solve? We will try to solve this word problem of question number 3. The first question is, the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other, find them. तो दो नंबर के बीच का जो डिफरेंस है वो है 26. एक नंबर अगर दूसरे के, अगर एक नंबर, दो नंबर के बीच का डिफरेंस 26 है और एक नंबर दूसरे के 3 टाइम्स है, तो नंबर्स बताने हैं कि क्या होगा. तो लेट the one number be x, other number इक्वल टू y. एक नंबर को हमने x माना, एक को y माना, दोनों के बीच का जो डिफरेंस है वो है 26. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन डिफरेंस दोनों का है 26. तो x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 26. वी हैव टेकन ऑल्सो दैट x इज ग्रेटर देन y, दैट्स वाई x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 26. And one number is 3 times the other. According to second condition, x equal to 3y. Okay, putting this value in equation number first. So x equal to 3y. At the place of x we will write 3y minus y equal to 26. So the value of y is 13. Now we have to find out the value of x also. Putting y equal to 13 in equation number, in any equation 2 will be taken. X equal to 3y, so x equal to 3 into 13. Hence the numbers are 39 and 13. So this is the solution of the question number first. Similarly the other questions are given. Question number 2, just see. The larger of two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18 degree. सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स आप समझते हो कि जब दो एंगल को प्लस करने पे 180 आता है तो सप्लीमेंट्री कहलाते हैं. तो इसमें जो लार्जर है वो शॉर्टर से 18 ज़्यादा है, तो दोनों को फाइंड करना है. जस्ट सी, लेट वी विल टेकन दैट कि लेट द लार्जर नंबर बी एक्स. तो लेट द larger number be x, larger angle, sorry, therefore and a smaller angle be y. तो दोनों के अगर अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन में जाएं तो दोनों का सम, क्योंकि दोनों सप्लीमेंट्री है, तो दोनों सप्लीमेंट्री है, तो x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 180. और दोनों का बीच का जो डिफरेंस है, मतलब बड़ा एंगल, ये x जो है y से ग्रेटर है 18 डिग्री. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू सेकेंड कंडीशन x इक्वल टू y प्लस 18. तो ये वैल्यू x का इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट में डाल देते हैं. इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में डालने पे x की जगह पे हमने डाला y प्लस 18 प्लस y y की वैल्यू 81, किसी भी एक इक्वेशन में डाल दो। तो फर्स्ट में डाल देते हैं या सेकंड में डाल दें, सेकंड में डालते हैं x इक्वल टू वाई प्लस 18, x इक्वल टू 81 प्लस 18, x इक्वल टू